Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your taillights on the 1998 Toyota 4Runner, replacing them with LED taillights. You can see I already removed the old taillight right there, and as always here is the time and the date. So I already unscrewed that one, and it's very simple. You can take a look at this other one right here, and you can see there are just two screws right there. You can either use Phillips or you can use a 10mm bolt driver right there. And then push the lens assembly to the outside of the vehicle, so you're going to push that way for this lens and then the opposite way for the other lens, and it will pop right off. Also, you can see in the middle we started already. You have to remove all 5 screws holding this in place right here, and then you just pry it up. You have to. Now once you remove that, then you have to remove this panel on the side right here. There's one screw right here. Okay, I just reviewed some instructions, and it appears right now you have to remove the side paneling. If you do have a 12-volt outlet, a cargo cover, or a little storage area right there, you have to remove that. So just remove the cover to the storage area right here, and then over there just remove the outlet, just pry it up with a screwdriver and move it out of the way. You might want to disconnect it also. So now you just pry it up from the bottom right. There we go. And actually that's all we have to remove. You can see the little storage unit is attached to a box right there. But also if we pry it up a little more, you can see right here, since we do have that 12-volt outlet, the electrical system is tied right here to this light. So you just kind of have to pry this over, and then you can kind of work through there. You can see the bolt is just a little above this point right there. So if you can fit the driver in, if you may have an angled nut driver or something like that, bolt driver, that'll fit in there, you can do that, or you could just pry the whole panel off. I'm just going to do the angled part. Okay, now once you have the right settings on this bolt driver here, bolt nut driver, at first it might feel odd. You might feel like you'll jam the thing because it's really screwed on pretty tight. So you're going to go left, and you're going to put a lot of torque in it at first. And I tried to use this wrench, but the wrench was impossible to use, especially since I'm in this tight space here. And then you just pull the whole thing out, including the gasket. You can see it was attached to that wire right there. Be careful when pulling it out so you don't damage if you have short fingernails. And then there's another grounding wire back there you can barely see. So let me get the other one and show you the new LED. Here are the difference between the two brake lights. You can see right here 12 or 24 volts. You can see most of them are the same. This particular vendor I got it from, link will be down below on eBay. Put a regular connection right here. And actually, if you unscrew it, let me unscrew it really quick. You can see this one here just attached to another wire since there are LEDs back down there. The middle one right here is a turn signal. And right here I have an LED bulb. They include some stupid incandescent. I don't know why. The exact number is 7440, I believe. And then up here we have a backup line. Now the big difference is this takes a larger base. Although this model they sent me right here, you can see they include some stupid incandescent with some tiny little base, so I have to buy LED. So once you put everything back, you just feed it in right there and install it. So let me do that. Okay, I put it in, installed it, just have a hard time with the gasket. Just connect the connector right there, see right there. And then you also have to connect that other grounding screw in the middle, see. And then once that's done, here's a test. Here is the flasher at normal speed. You can see it is a whole lot brighter. One LED compared to this other lens. You can see it's all diffused. This is going to end part 1. It's almost 20 hours. Let me show you the brake comparison. So once I have it fully up and running, I'll show you the final results in part 2. So click down below for part 2. That's it for the basic install. Thanks for watching.